Hello everyone and welcome to the first boot and first initial setup of the Poco F1. So here's the Poco F1 booting for the very first time on this channel. So let's go ahead and power it up. Let's see if there is any juice left. Here's the yellow. So Poco F1 has got the yellow theme, as you can see from the box itself here. So this is Poco in yellow. So let me keep this box here just for that remembrance that you are booting your Pocophone for the first time. So Poco by Xiaomi. Now as you can see, because it is a phone made by or rather in collaboration with the Xiaomi, they have given you MIUI 9, which is really awesome because Xiaomi gives you a very nice set of features that is actually helpful in day-to-day usage. So let's go ahead and just tap on this arrow mark here. To hit that arrow mark, you will find the language. You have to choose the language, and as you can see the language, there are plenty of languages including regional languages. So here itself you can choose the language and set it as your preferred language itself. Now for this demonstration purpose, let's say that we choose English India, and just as you tap on it, the timing and as well as the battery notification, other things, just sets it up so that it is very convenient for us Indians. Now once you have done that, just tap on this arrow mark here again and choose your region. So region is India, and once you see India, just tap on this and then again press tap on that arrow mark. Now it sets the region, and if you have got the internet, you straight away connect to the internet basically from your Wi-Fi. Otherwise, if you have got SIM card, you can just insert the SIM card right now so that it recognizes and turns the mobile data on. So that's how you can connect to the internet at first. If you don't have any internet access right now, you still want to use the device, that's fine. You can still do that by just tapping on the skip button here, skip. And once you do that, you have to agree to their privacy policy. There is something new over here, Kika privacy policy. So who has the time to read all these policy matters and such things? Let's just toggle right, tap on the next arrow, and if you want, you can actually skip this setup. Just like I said, you can insert the SIM card right here. So we shall skip that step right now. And here's the Google services, very typical service, location asking. As you can see, you can either tap the location on or disable it. You can even later turn on the location as well. You don't have to turn it on here itself. It consumes a little bit of battery as well, so that you should be very conscious of enabling these kind of settings. Even I would suggest that you disable this in the system data. Basically it will access your log information and other stuff that helps maintain your device via Google's updates. So for now I would suggest you to disable this and tap on more and then I agree. So once you tap on I agree, here you have to set the password. You have got fingerprint as well as screen lock. There is no facial recognition setup right here. So first you have to set up either the fingerprint or only screen lock. Let's set up the fingerprint for the first time. So here, in order to set up the fingerprint, you have to either choose the pattern, pin or password as a security backup. So for this we shall set up pattern as a security backup. So once you tap on that, it will ask you to remember the pattern. Of course, you need to remember the pattern. For now I will give just a simple pattern. So if you know any very complex pattern, you can also give that. Basically you just have to remember it while unlocking your device. Let's set up the fingerprint now. So here's the fingerprint. Just tap on the rear fingerprint. If you just keep tapping on, it will be basically recognized it as your finger, added successfully. And once you have done that, just tap on OK. And additional settings, allow apps to access your location. For now you just disable it, otherwise it consumes a lot of battery. User experience program, it is your preference. If you want to join the user experience program, you can enable that, otherwise disable it. Send diagnostic data automatically, you can disable or enable. Update automatically, let that be enabled, because whenever you get any update while it is connected to internet, it gets updated automatically. Now here's the personalized ad recommendations, no need for that. Now here you have got the Poco theme. The default MIUI 9 theme is here. They also give you limitless, basically you have the circular icons here, very nice and very neat sorting from Xiaomi. So usually they have well thought out layout of the themes, or be it the home screen. As you can tell, just we shall tap to the Poco because we are using the Pocophone. Setup complete. Just tap on this, theme is applied, let it load the applications. So it just takes couple of minutes to load the applications, and once it is done, your home screen will be ready and your phone is ready to rock and roll. Alright, setup is complete. Get started. Allow access to internal storage to get info about system wallpaper. Let's tap on allow. Allow the Poco launcher to access pretty much everything. So here's the home screen of the Poco F1. So typical Xiaomi's layout, but with a hint, with a touch of Poco. So here's the Poco. So you've got the apps drawer very neatly laid out. The thing here is, as you can see, it has been sorted with communication, entertainment. Usually it used to be the folder, so if you just tap on the shopping folder, you will get shopping applications, but this time they have moved it over on the top. So if you tap on photography, so all your apps related to photography will be available here. So it is very easy to find. Just like I said, shopping, instead of going to folders, you have got the separate apps section. So the row is here, and here you can sort based on your preference. So if you are using a lot of entertainment apps, basically you can move that entertainment to top. If you are using photography tools, so you can move that to top. You can hide it, so whichever you want you can hide it, so that way it won't be displayed here. So that's how it is laid out, and there is not really much to customize over there. If you just tap on back, you have the home screen. Open the settings, look at the about phone, what's running. Let me little bit reduce the brightness so that you can see it properly. So here's the about phone, Android version 8.1, Android security patch level updated from July. So maybe they have released an update, because I have not connected to internet, it is not updated. Internal storage, you have 64 GB, out of that 54.67 GB out of the box is available. And here's the octa-core processor running at 2.8 gigahertz. So that's a pretty quick, fast processor is what you have. MIUI Global 9.6 stable version for Poco. So this is the Pocophone, Poco. You can go to wallpaper. They have some Poco wallpapers as well. If I just tap on the camera applications, so here's the AI camera. Open the AI scene camera, identify the picture scene for you and optimize the picture. So this is the phone. Let me increase the brightness. So you have the photo mode, you have the portrait mode, you have the square mode, and just as you swipe around, it will tell you what portrait mode does. If you just tap on that, it will go away. As you guys know, I will be making separate detailed camera settings video about this mobile phone, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments below what video would you like to see about the Poco F1. Of course, this will be compared with other phones as well in the upcoming days. Here's the AI mode. If you just tap on AI, the AI camera gets activated. Let me keep a watch here and just use the tap to focus. As you can see, exposure is auto adjusted. Just tap on to click a picture, allow it to access the gallery. Poco shot on Poco F1. So here's the crisp, sharp looking image from the Pocophone. This was using the AI camera. We need to test it what AI and without AI camera the photo appears to be. So that's basically it, guys. This was just a quick video on how to set up your phone for the very first time. If you are using this phone new and you don't know how to set up it, so this was the video about that. Hope it helps you set up your phone and get ready. So if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll be making a lot of videos about the Pocophone as well. Alright then, see you all in another one. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.